Before we commence our very last class, can everyone show me the Edison robot and the cable for one last time this term? Yep, perfect, awesome. Okay, so we have learned a lot this term. So before we start, does anyone would like to demonstrate whatever they've learned this term? Anything from the Edison robot? Who would like to demonstrate? Nope. Okay, so if anyone has forgotten what we've learned, you can just look at the previous YouTube videos and look over the stuff that we've learned throughout the term. Obviously, skip over the parts where we've just been waiting for the students for you guys to finish off your task, or whenever there's been any issues, you can skip over, just look over the parts and the code that we've done. Okay, so what we're going to do now is I'm going to share my screen. I'm just quickly going to go over, for me to spend the first 10-ish minutes just going over this. Can everyone try to, okay, so let's guess what this code will do. Does anyone want to guess what this code will do? This is from last week. Anyone know? Okay, so what is code? It's pretty much, we'll just keep going forward until you see an obstacle. When you see an obstacle, you turn around. So you drive, turn around. Yeah, you just drive when there's an obstacle, and etc. So it runs like, so yeah, so pretty much, yeah, every time you see an obstacle, you turn around. You repeat this 10 times. So for now, what we're gonna do is learn, learn how to just pretty much use your detecting beam and how to do some loops. So can everyone do this code on the screen? I'll give you all 5 minutes. So Matilda, is your thing okay? I can see it spinning around in circles. Okay, we have 1 minute left. If anyone wants to demonstrate, just type in the chat and the brilliant kids admin will let me know.
I really like people that are putting stuff on the actual robot.
Oh yeah,
I
no,
put
it's really good.
Legos. Abby put a teddy bear on it.
Oh, teddy bear. Okay.
It's become like a truck.
Oh no, it's the koala.
A koala, right? Yeah.
Oh,
It's
that's really
quite fun.
cool. That's cute.
What
Okay.
you should put more Lego and stuff on it. You can do more fun things. There is they call construction kit for this, so you can turn it into a trucks, bulldozers, all kind of stuff. If you're interested, I can you can buy it online, or you can, if you're interested, let me know. I can set it up and you can buy from us, but no obligation. I really want you to maximize the use of this robot. They call Edison construction kit. It's very useful.
Awesome. Okay, so 6:10 now. Who would like to demonstrate? Yep. Okay, Lev, do you want to demonstrate? Okay, what have you done? Yeah, make sure you turn it on. Yep.
Oh yeah, I forgot to program it in.
Oh, that's fine. We can go back to you. Just you can program it and then come back to you. All right, who else wants to demonstrate? Yep, Matilda, I can see your hands up. Mabry, do you want to do it? Yep, I can see it. Okay. Yep, I can see you. I can see you. I can see you. I think you're on mute though. If you're trying to say something, you're on mute. I can't hear you. Okay. Well, we'll move on for the time being. Does anyone else want to demonstrate? If you want to demonstrate, raise your hand or just type in the chat. Okay. Yeah, otherwise, does anyone have a question? Just let me know if you have a question.
Abby,
Abby?
raise
Yep.
hand.
Abby, yep. What's up? Okay, Abby.
I want to demonstrate.
Okay, sure.
Okay,
Let's
you
demonstrate,
can put
Abby.
the koala on.
Oh, nice. Good job. Awesome. Good job. Okay. Awesome. Okay, Matilda, Mabry, what's up? Are you gonna demonstrate or I can't hear you? You're on mute.
I think they
Okay.
have a question.
Yes.
Okay, what's the question? Yeah, what's the question?
Is the thing supposed to go like this?
Is it go by what?
Can you turn on the lights?
Yeah.
So dark.
It's a bit hard to say, yeah. Oh, okay. I can see why. Because it detects like a lot of obstacles in the right directions, and then basically the Lego pretty much triggered the obstacle sensors to make it spin left. So it is doing the code. It's just because there's a lot of Legos, it might be triggering these obstacle sensors to like run stuff. So yeah, so you have to be careful with using, because the thing you have your Lego like on the side as well, so it detects that because of your massive Lego set, which looks really cool by the way.
This bit or this bit or my little koala?
Oh, that's so cute. Oh, it's really cool. So yeah, so you can. That's a pretty cool. Just make sure you have to be careful when you use the obstacle detector and stuff, because it will be very sensitive, especially to your Legos and stuff. Okay, awesome. Who has another question or another want to demonstrate? No?
Carlos, you're very quiet today, Carlos. The last few lessons. Okay, let's move on.
Okay, yeah, let's move on indeed. Awesome. So that's pretty much that. So what we're gonna do is actually start learning how to use variables. So maybe what we can do is we can just continue on with the code. Um, so when we just continue what we've done existingly, so maybe like what we can do is the thing is like we have a particular number, but do we always want to use the number 10? We can always like change the number and stuff. So I'm just going to introduce this feature called random number. So you can allow us to choose, we don't know, we'll let the computer program it for us. Allow us to run the program 10 times, this whole program 10 times, and then repeat it 10 times. We can play a beep. We can play a beep to let us know that there has been like a program that's been run. So if we just, if you want to know what number it is, all we have to do is just count the beeps. So if I program it on my end, just let me program this. I connect, I just, yeah, for this, you all probably know how to do this by now. You know how to do this by now, but you just connect this. You connect this here. You connect it to the computer, press circle, and then press the program Edison. Can anyone still hear me? Yep, awesome. Then press program Edison. And then it will make the beep sound. Take it out. Okay. So let's see how many times this program will run. Who would like to take a guess? Who would like to guess? Because I don't know as well. Just type just type in the chat. Like what do you think is the answer? And then maybe the Brooding Kids admin will tell me who got the closest to the correct answer. So remember it's between 1 and 10. So let's see. So I'm just gonna count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4. Okay, so who got 4? Did anyone guess 4? Okay, Samara, you're probably the only one who mentioned it, but that was pretty close, off by 1, so that's really good. So if I run this again, if I run this again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. Okay, so if I try running this again, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5. If I do again, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 10. So it's pretty random. So what I want you to do is just pull this out and put this inside the repeat. So you originally should be number 10. Just pull this out and drag and drop inside there. Okay. So I will give you all 3 minutes to get this done. And then who wants to demonstrate and tell me how many they've got? How many beefs has occurred? I can see Abby, you've done it already.
Carlos, you have a question?
Yeah, what's up, Carlos?
Where do you find that repeat block?
Oh, the repeat block. Okay, so it should be under control. So you see operators here. It's under control, and you just drag it, and then you put this inside here.
Okay.
So you find it here. That's right.
Yeah.
Okay, you have 1 more minute left. Okay, just 1 more minute left to go. Okay, awesome. 6:20 now. Who would like to demonstrate? I think Samar, you said you had something that you wanted to, that you went around 3 times. Okay, do you want to demonstrate or no? Oh, you know your camera is fine. Okay, who else wants to demonstrate? Matilda, maybe? Awesome. Do you want to try? Yeah, can you unmute yourself?
So we did this.
Okay. And how many times did your thing go?
We did it from 1 to 50. So like
Okay.
this, but this time I only went 3, thankfully.
Okay. That's good. So you did 1 to 15, right? Or 1 to 50?
50.
50. Oh, okay, okay. So this might go either very short or it can go all the way up to like 40 or 30. It's going to go a lot of times. So yeah, make sure you have enough battery to run all of that for that long.
Here
Awesome.
it wants go up to 33.
Oh, wow. That's good. Make sure you have a lot of battery for that. So that's good. Awesome. Good job, Matilda and Mabry. Who else wants to go next? Anyone else wants to go next? Carlos? You have Carlos. Haven't heard from you for a while. Okay, let's go, Carlos. Carlos, where are you? Wait, just let me find you. Yep, okay, wait. Can you unmute Carlos?
Yes, this is my card.
Okay, so what did you do? No, let's try running it, see what happened. Okay, wait, sorry, can you put closer? It's hard to see. Oh, look, the Lego. Okay, press play again. Oh, wow. Okay, I don't know how many times played, but like it was a long time.
8 beeps.
Okay, cool. Awesome. Good job, Carl. Okay. Okay, so let's just move on from that. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is let's try doing something else as well. Okay, so let's also what we're gonna do now is maybe I'm just gonna teach you one more concept, and then I'll let you do a awesome task, like a awesome task, like something awesome, which should demonstrate what you've learned throughout throughout your time at Edison Robo and stuff. Okay, so what we're gonna do is now we're gonna do variables as well. So we're gonna do variables. So what we're gonna do is go to data. So now this is gonna be the interesting part. So now let's say we want to create a variable. A variable is a value that you store that allows you to do many things and use over and over again. So maybe we can say we can get the robot to like Edison robot to beep as many times as your birthday. So we can just say We can call it birthday, or we can use something called age. You can create a variable, and then what we can do is get an age, and then we can basically set your age to tell me. Okay, so tell me who's willing to tell me how they are. Who wants to tell me how they are? 5? Okay, is it 5, right? Yep, 5. Okay, so let's say someone is 5 years old. We can make the Edison robot. We can make this Edison robot pretty much repeat this process 5 times. So, okay, 5 or 8. Okay, let's go in between. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So maybe we can do 5, 6, 7, 8. So maybe we can just do maybe do like 7 or something like that. Okay, so what we're gonna do is just quickly look at this. We can make it increase every single time. This will be more advanced stuff. Say we can repeat this each time. So we can repeat each time. So it will allow us to repeat 5 times. Maybe just to make things more interesting, right? We can make it we can make it spin right, like really fast, and say 180 degrees or something. So make it keep going like keep going like randomly and stuff. So yeah, so this will be really really fun. Okay, so and maybe we can also um, turn the lights on, and we can turn the lights off. Yep. What's up, Carlos? Wait, Carlos, where are you? Oh, wait, sorry. Okay, can you unmute?
Yeah.
What's the question? Yep. What's up?
How do you get the data?
The data. Okay, so go to the very top. Go to the very top here,
Yeah.
and then you press make a variable,
Okay.
and you can call it whatever you want. You can call it age, and it should pop up here. So it's to be more advanced, but this is towards the end of the course. This will be very useful. You can maybe say age, you can say like name, or actually let's just keep it age or like birth year or something like that. Or like maybe number of people in your classes, or maybe like how many times you want the Edison robot to spin or to run. So I set this to 7. So we can repeat this like 7 times. So I'm just going to program this, see what will happen, and then we can determine how many times it runs by counting how many beeps it makes. So let's just try program this. Anyone still hear me? Anyone still hear me? Okay, I get some feedback saying you can hear me, so that's cool. Okay, so let's try running the code again. So here, program Edison. Yep, okay, now let's see what happens. So this will be 7 times. A lot of cool things will happen. So it's gonna go like everywhere. Yeah, it's gonna go everywhere. There'll be 6 and 7. Okay, so let's try again. So it's 1, 2 beeps, 3 beeps, 4 beeps, 5 beeps, 6 beeps, and 7 beeps, and it stops. So yeah, so this will be more advanced. I can see Abby's trying this already, but this will be more advanced. So I'll give everyone probably like until 6:40 to get it done. If any questions, just let me know. Yeah, if you think it's going crazy, that means it's doing the right thing. Um, all you have to do is just to make sure your program works. Is that first of all, it's going crazy. Second thing is, I can see Abby is having a great time. Um, just making sure you can count to whatever age it is. You can set your age to 8 or 5 or whatever number you want. Maybe I'll give you a challenge. Maybe set your age to however old you are. So maybe, for example, Carlos is 5 or Amber and Joy is 8. Um, so yeah, just play around with this. Yeah, you have 9 more minutes. Does anyone have any issues? Any questions they would like to ask? Or if anyone wants to demonstrate first? Yep, Matilda Mabry again. What's up?
Okay. We have a question.
Yeah, what's up?
We're not very sure if this is what it's supposed to be like.
Okay, let's see. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You put 7, right?
We put 7.
Yep, that's then you're exactly doing what it's supposed to be doing. Yeah, so that's good. Awesome. There's no obstacles, so maybe try again, but like maybe place your hand or something in front of it, see what happens.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a shame that your Lego, especially your Edison robot's obstacle sensors just go crazy and stuff.
Yeah. Okay. Girl, done?
Okay. Does it like spin around crazy and stuff? Does it like?
Yes. Yeah.
Awesome. Good job, Matilda Mary. Awesome. Okay, who else wants to demonstrate or any questions they want to ask?
In my brain.
Okay, I believe Abby, do you want to demonstrate? I can see you're just ready, just chilling.
So, hello?
Yeah?
So it goes crazy if we put our hands through it. Also, I have this.
Okay, that's good. Wait, what number did you put?
So I put 7.
Yeah, did this 7
5,
times.
7.
Yep, awesome. Oh, that's good. They've pretty much done exactly what you want to do. Awesome. Okay, can someone put a different number and see what they end up like getting and stuff? If someone like uses a different number apart from 7. You have 2 more minutes to get this working. All right, it's 6:40 now. Okay, who would like to demonstrate? But with a different number. Yep, Lev, what's up?
Yeah.
Okay, so how?
I'm demonstrating.
Yep, sure.
Phone, and I set it to 10.
Okay, awesome. Okay, so now you just press play.
Yeah.
Nice, it ran 10 times. Awesome. Great job, Lev. Good job. Awesome. Good job, Lev. Okay, so now let's now create a new variable, right? Say called year. So what year are we in? What year are we in? Yeah, we can just say year 20, so we can call it the year. Just create a new variable called year. So now maybe instead of using age, let's just take age away. Oh yeah, your grade, yeah, grade year one, yeah, that makes sense. But like I'm talking about the current year. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we can set the year to okay, so we can do year one, or maybe we can do another year. We can set the year to set the year to 2021. But if we do this, it's gonna run forever. And oh no, sorry, this is too many times. Maybe we can set it to 100. We can set this to 100. But the thing is, if we maybe set like if we set yeah, we can set year to 100, or maybe we can set it to yeah, we can set it to 100. Yeah, since like 2000 is too big, 2021 is too big, we can set it to a lower amount. Actually, let's just do a different name because it doesn't make sense. Give me a variable name. Who wants to have a variable name they want to call it? Does anyone have any ideas? Yep, Matilda Mary. What's up? Oh, wait. How do I? Sorry. Yep, sorry. Can you give me a number?
A class.
A class. Okay, let's do a class. Okay. Yep. Oh yeah, that's a good idea. We can do a class. Awesome, Samara. Well, okay. Give me a number. Give me a number then, Samara. Hello, you there? It's a bit hard to hear. Can you just type it out? So we have class. Maybe we can set class to 30. But if we repeat this 30 times, you'll take, if we repeat this class like 30 times, it'll take forever. So what we can do is we can increase it by like probably 5 times. So instead of like running it 30 times, we can run it 6 times. Every time we increase by 5, you yeah, because of the math timetables, 6 times 5 equals to 30. So what we can do is we can do some math. We can maybe increment. We can increment by let's say we can increment by let's find a better number. Let me just look this up. Okay, so we can increment. What we've done was maybe not increment. What we can do is we can set forget increment for the time being. We can set class. We can set class. We can set class to class plus 5. And it should run 6 times. So let's demonstrate. Maybe we can change it to Every time it's an obstacle, we just spin in 360 degrees, just to make things more fun. We can make it spin really fast, and we can make it spin much slower. So let's try running it on now on my machine. Get my Edison robot here. Oh, and also the more important thing is, we have to set wait. So repeat until we can repeat it to 30, which is class. Oh, sorry, repeat into we can repeat this into oh no, that's okay. So let's just set this. Let's just we can set we can repeat this into like class is equals to 30. For the time being, let's just set class to 0, and then we can increment this into class is equal to 30. So 30 people in the class. So let's increase, like just say 5 is equals to the number of students. Actually, we can set a new variable here. We can call a variable called student. We can call a variable called student. And we can set the student to number 5. We can get student to number 5. So we can increase class by 5 students every single time. So let's just run this on my end. So it should run 6 times, because 6 times 5 equals to 30. This is more advanced, so this will be the last thing I cover this class. So I'll give you all 10 minutes after I program this. So this will be programming Edison. Oh, okay, this is an issue. What's the issue here? Let's see what the issue is here. Well, that is interesting. Okay, okay, so this is a lot of random stuff. Okay, so what we can do is maybe delete some of the variables that we've done. So
Because you use the word class. You don't use the word class.
Yeah,
Class
yeah,
is a special word.
Yeah, that's a good point. That is a good point.
You should use something else.
Okay, let's delete class. Oh wait. Okay, what we can do is we can manage variables. We can rename it. So maybe classroom.
Yeah, classroom should be good.
Okay, so let's see. Does it change to classroom? Okay, confirm. So you change it to classroom. So yeah, you just manage variables, find classroom. Okay, so this should work. Yep. Okay, it's running. Okay, wait, just let me try programming this. Okay, so what you should do is, if you look at my screen, so I look at my camera and stuff. This will, wait, sorry, I just had to close this. Okay, so it should run 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it should be done after 6 times. So yeah, so I just changed some stuff to make it spin really fast when it's an obstacle. But it should run 6 times. Okay, I'll give you all until 7 p.m. to get this. We'll demonstrate, and then we can end this class for the term. So this will be the very last task for the term. So please, this is one final stretch. This will combine everything we've learned for the most part this term. So this is the final stretch.
I guess it's a bit complicated for them, but that's a good stretch. Yeah.
Yeah. If you can't finish it on time, you can look at the video later on. But you should be able to do many cool things with your Edison robot. The sky and the imagination is the limit. So yeah. You have until 7 to get this done. If anyone wants to demonstrate first, raise your hands. I'm expecting you to get this done, but you have 8 minutes now. Sorry, 8 minutes until 7 to get this done. Matilda, Mary, what's up?
We want to demonstrate.
You want to demonstrate? Okay, let's demonstrate. Nice, awesome, good job, good job, good job. Now make sure we use variables and make sure we do this to make it run 6 times. But no, good job, great effort, Matilda, Mary. Yep, Amber and Joe, what's up? Hello, sorry, unmute again.
We
Yeah, what's
want to
up?
demonstrate.
Okay, let's demonstrate then.
Like whenever we demonstrate, they want to demonstrate.
Okay, that's right.
And I always say them will.
Okay, make sure you program these properly in the Edison. We'll come back to you. Let me know when you're ready, okay?
Yeah. When they just Nana.
Okay. What's up, Emily? Oh, sorry. What's your name? The name on the screen says Emily, but no. Okay, that's fine.
I haven't finished yet.
Yep. Okay. So is it Lucas? Is it Lucas, right?
Yep.
Yep, Lucas. Okay. Do you want to demonstrate?
I switched.
Yeah, okay. You better be like, okay, go.
Oh, nice. Awesome. Looks really good.
Okay.
Oh, nice.
Ready? Okay.
Nice. Awesome. Looks really good. You did the 360-degree spin as well. Nice. To make sure you know it works, make sure that it spins only 6 times. But no, good job, Lucas. Great job, Lucas. Okay, Sehaj, just had to. Okay, yep. Yep, Sehaj, want to demonstrate?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Okay, wait. Nice, awesome. Well, looks really good. I believe you ran 6 times, so that's really good. Awesome. Good job, Sehaj. Okay, Amber, Joe, I believe the issue is probably your battery then. Because I think, yeah, something similar happened a few weeks ago for myself. Just make sure you have enough battery. So maybe try changing your battery and see if that works. Yep, we have 3 minutes left. Yep, Abby, I can see you getting it working. Just make sure it's 6 times. The baby 6 times. Okay, Samara. Okay, so does it? Okay, so I know your camera is not working, but does it spin 6 times? Well, your camera is working though. Maybe can you put your camera down to see the Edison and see if it's running? Okay, we can come back to you later. All right, Matilda, maybe do you want to demonstrate? Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, that's fine.
Before, but then like we accidentally pressed it.
Oh, that's fine. Okay, that's all good. Okay, 1 more minute left. When you reach 7, one person can demonstrate, and then if they're done successfully, you can finish on time. If anyone has any questions, I can stay back for a little bit. Otherwise, yeah, you can just watch the YouTube video later just to catch up on this as well. Okay, it's 7 now. Who would like to demonstrate?
Look like some of you are struggling
Yeah,
because I think the concept of variable is a bit
yeah, no, it's
advanced for them.
yeah, it's a new concept. For
Yeah,
sure,
but that's
yeah.
okay.
It's a good starting point. Like,
Yep.
your variable, you can just store whatever names, and then you can assign a value or number to that variable, and then you can use it again. So imagine variable is like a toy box, right? You have a whole bunch of toys. If you want to use a particular toy, you take it out of the box and play with them, you know? So for example, so classroom is a toy. You want to use this classroom, a toy classroom to do stuff. Also, a better idea. You have a student. A student is a toy. You take out from the toy box, which is this, and you can set it to do stuff like adding stuff, you know? So it's more complex, but this is reaching advanced stuff. You get to learn it later on if you continue this path. Okay. Does anyone else want to demonstrate?
Look like the answer is no. All right. I think we out of time.
Yeah.
This is the last class of this term. I think you learn a lot, starting from knowing nothing. Now you know how to program and program learning up to advanced concept of programming using Edison robot. So I think, yeah, I think it's really worthwhile to spend the Creative Kit vouchers on this. That's what I believe. I hope you continue to support us next term. Next term, we already have the timetable. We're gonna upload and email everyone soon for next term. And yeah,
And I hope
I
you all
really,
had fun. I hope you had fun this time. Learning how to make your Edison robot to do stuff. A lot
yeah,
of cool things. Put all your Legos, put everything on top of it, and make your own like super toy, you know? Have fun, program whatever you want. You can use whatever we learn this term to help you program your very cool, very fun toy to use. Lee, you had a question. I believe you had you meant to hear the beep 6 times. That's what I meant, 6 times, hearing the beep 6 times. But yeah, no, thank you very much, everyone, for the term. Thank you so much, Brilliant Kids Admin. Do you have anything else to say?
not really. Yeah, I really hope to see you all next term. And now it's time to say goodbye to Peter.
All right, see ya.
Bye, guys. Bye. Bye. Thanks for listening.
Anytime.
Bye.
Enjoy your Easter break.